In a distant galaxy, among the shimmering stars, there was a mysterious planet. This planet had an enchanted forest filled with towering trees that reached for the sky. One day, the little prince saw a strange light coming from afar. Curious, he steered his ship and landed on this unknown world. As soon as his feet touched the ground, a gentle breeze carried whispers from the forest. There was a secret hidden here, and the little prince was determined to uncover it. The leaves rustled softly, and the paths seemed to shift on their own. As he ventured deeper into the woods, he suddenly came across a glowing, bluish stone. The stone trembled slightly and spoke in a delicate voice. "You must return me to the temple," it said, its voice soft but filled with unwavering certainty. When the little prince picked up the stone, a strange sensation filled his heart. It was as if the stone was speaking to him without words. Following the melody of his intuition, he continued his journey deeper into the forest. Along the way, a wise owl appeared before him. Its golden eyes observed him intently. "Do you know where you are taking that stone, traveler?" the owl asked in a deep voice. The little prince shook his head. "I must return it to where it belongs, but I don't know where that is." The owl gently flapped its wings and perched on a nearby branch. "Your path will be difficult," it said, "but those with a pure heart always find their way." With these words in mind, the little prince pressed on. Sometimes he listened to the whispering trees, and sometimes he followed the stone's subtle guidance. Eventually, he reached a vast body of water blocking his path. In its reflection, he did not see himself but another traveler who had come here long ago. Was that traveler the stone's former keeper? As he pondered this question, a creature emerged from the water. "If you wish to cross, you must tell me something true," the creature said. "But if you lie, the water will reject you." The little prince took a deep breath and thought carefully. Then he spoke. "With all my heart, I believe that every journey has a purpose." The creature smiled and allowed him to pass. At last, the little prince arrived at the ancient corner of the forest, where an old temple was entwined with roots and vines. The stone glowed softly and settled itself in the temple's center. At that moment, the forest awakened. Birds sang, and flowers bloomed in radiant colors. A voice echoed through the air. "Thank you, traveler. Those with a pure heart help maintain the balance of worlds." The little prince looked up at the sky and smiled. As he set off on a new adventure, he carried with him one undeniable truth. The greatest treasure is to explore and understand.